Belly button?
There
There's your
is.
belly button.
I pinch you.
Don't pinch.
Pinch it.
What is it?
Chicken.
It's not a chicken.
Parrot.
It sounds like a duck.
Duck.
Not really though. Is it a duck?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wait, no. Sounds like sounds like a nana. Is it a nana?
Yeah, there.
Oh, nana's right there. Is it a nana?
Sounds like a turkey. Who sounds like a turkey?
It sounds like a Jamie.
Bless yourself.
What do you want to do with the umbrella?
Got it,
It's
right?
not wet. It's okay. Yeah, it's fine. Whoa! What are you doing?
Are you gonna light the barbecue pretty soon?
Yeah.
Oh, those ribs smell really good.
Do they? Yes.
Good idea. Don't say anything dirty.
Oh.
You're getting everybody wet.
Blow bubbles.
Why is it out?
Is it out? Oh, maybe we better fill it up. Let's fill it up. Fill it up.
Oh, no. Okay.
See what happens.
Okay, but I'm holding the camera.
I don't think she could even squeeze that hard.
Sure.
Fill it up. You gotta pull that lever. You gotta push it in. Push that lever so the water comes out. The handle. Push the handle. You want Grandpa to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Probably good.
Grandpa do it? Lily can't do it?
Lily's too little.
I
Lily's too little.
Hi, Lily.
like.
Yeah, thank you, Grandpa.
Turn them off so we can fill it up.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Yeah.
Are you helping? Are you helping? Honey.
It's it.